Those are really dry.
May want answers. Some of you may not want to know the truth, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Secret information. Secret information that only a few individuals will actually know and will ever see. Are you ready for this? This is gonna be really, really big.
Look, for the past few months, I've been undercover in many different types of secret operations, secret groups. Okay, I've been around. I've been through the spectrum of autism, and I've seen every single goddamn color. The shit I've seen would make little children piss themselves in the fucking bed. It's that bad. And what I present to you is Namakan, or as I like to call it, the anti-Bible. Now, let me just find the pages. I've been trying to encrypt most of the foreign language. Freddy, Foxy, the bronies. It all starts here. This spectrum is what's causing this. First, we had the furries. They spread their cancer throughout our Earth, creating a spectrum of literal autism. The furries started here, then they spread out and became bronies. Those bronies grew into anime fans. Those anime fans grew into Five Nights at Freddy's fans. See, this is what's happening. They're spreading their cancer. And that's the thing, though. I'm still trying to decrypt this book. It is filled with cancer. And I've been through it. So I wanted to find it at the source. The source. I won on Xbox Live, and I did what no man or woman would do. I joined the furry club as an undercover agent. To further the research into autistic children. And what I found. So, let me just explain for a quick second. This is top secret information. You tell no one that you've seen this. So, when I was undercover, I've learned their language, which is... even the thought of it gives me, it shakes me in the bones. It shakes my bones. So what their plan is, they're planning on spreading throughout the internet as liberals. The liberals have started this. The liberals and the furries are teamed up together along with all the other types of fandoms, and they will take over our government. Now, I know that sounds hard, but look at people nowadays. Look at the internet. Look at it. Net neutrality is being removed. Maybe he's in on this as well. Maybe Semi-Pie and the fandom members in the council of retards, they have teamed up together. They got rid of net neutrality, and now they're trying to sneak their way in. And they're gonna, and these fandoms are going to take full advantage of this. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be really bad. They're gonna take over our Xboxes, our internet, our schools, and our systems. Now, now you may be wondering,
Excuse me, sir. You seem pretty unstable.
You know what? Maybe I am unstable, but what I'm saying is the truth. We got to stop them. They need to go now. These fandoms will ruin everything. They're going to destroy the flippin' planet. They're going to destroy the planet. I haven't decoded all of it, but what I got from this book is they're planning on infecting our education system. And then for now they limber, they stay slow, they keep on the down low. And then eventually, when they grow older, and these retards, these fandoms, once they grow older, they'll take over our system. They'll take over our government, and it will be law to wear a tail, wear a Five Nights at Freddy's shirt, and you're gonna have to wear 2 tails. Yep, it's this bad. The book told me. So either you listen, or we all die. Okay, literally. Like, no, we're not gonna die, but you know, pretty much living with a tail would be pretty depressing. And I think we're de-evolving with this type of fandom shit. Like, seriously, like when I went undercover, man, some of these people didn't even know how to fucking talk. Okay, look, you know, you can like what you want to like, but you know, if that makes you more retarded, that's something you probably shouldn't really like at all. Period. Don't like that shit. So, in order to stop them from evolving, I have taken precautions into ending this. First of all, if your friend is a furry, remove them off your friend's account, okay? By the way, apparently my disguise works so well that people now think, for some weird reason, I'm like a fur fag. But personally, I was undercover, okay? People said, "Oh, this is not research. You're like shoving a tail up your ass, fucking dogs and shit." No, it was complete research, and I am trying to help the people. Look, I can understand you could harass me, okay? Like, that was good for you. That helped me stay undercover. More people harassed me while I was undercover. That kept me undercover. But now that I'm out of cover and I'm ready to bring the war to them, every furry in every game, you report them. Report them for suspicious behavior, because that's what they're gonna do. Unless you want to be wearing 2 tails and a ponytail up your asshole with little tiny kitty ears on your head. And I'm sorry, Bubbles, but dressing up as a cat is fucking stupid, okay? I'm sorry. I had to give it to you right, okay? I'm telling you, people, this shit's gonna fucking kill us. A couple years ago, there were the globalists. And, of course, the Lord himself.
Oh, bugger!
You know, that guy who yells. I don't even remember his name, but he's our Lord, apparently. Oh yeah, by the way, Uganda Knuckles has to stop. It's like the fandoms. Look, I know it's a funny meme, like, I don't know it. It's funny. It's just not funny anymore. Flum off. I can't swear or I'll get kicked out
family
again.
friendly.
Flip off. Okay? Okay. Stop it. Not cool. You're just stupid. You may be thinking, what happened if my friends are infected with this virus? Well, actually, from the book, the fandoms aren't even fandoms, man. They're infected.
Yeah, dramatic
it's
reveal.
A disease. And it's an unknown virus that is transmitted through the internet. Who started this all? Trust me, it's gonna blow your damn mind. Yo, guys, it was Nicolas Cage, everybody. Nicolas Cage, everybody. Nicolas Cage. It was Nicolas Cage started this all. He started this. Why, Nicolas Cage? Why? First, he created the first fandom. Want to tell you who it was called? The Cages. People hailed him as a lord and created this quote-unquote fandom more along the lines of a religion because people think Nicolas Cage is the new god. These people. My friend Danny, man, he thinks Nicolas Cage is a god. And I'm gonna help him. I'm going to help him. So next time, in order to help our friends, in order to help our family members, we want to hear what we gotta do? We gotta slap them. Yep, that's how you cure the disease. Now, I know you'd expect it to be something complicated, ever since, you know, everything's all like, you know, like that. In order to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm gonna teach you a song. Just kidding, no more songs, screw that shit. this video was originally longer, but then I cut that shit no more. Ripped it. So I am gonna teach you how to do some of these languages, okay? First of all, we have our anime. So in order to become a true anime fan, you got to flip your glassos up inside downos, and pretty much they sound like this. Oi, so, konnichiwa. So suck my dick. Fuck off, my bitch. Konnichiwa. I have the power of God and enemy on my sickly side. Naruto. And that is how you do the anime. Let's move on to the furry. Now the furry is actually, let me go down here a bit, actually quite like how hockey kids communicate. So they're really, hockey kids and furries are kind of alike. So I can't do this seriously though. You know how hard this is without laughing. These furry guys and hockey idiots are hilarious. I love fucking making fun of them. Furry. Is there a dog around here I can fuck? No. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Food, water, kill. Oh, jeez. Jesus. Sorry about that, guys. I was the furry / hockey kid communication skill. Hockey kids are like gorillas. And furries, apparently. Next on is the brony. Fuck my ears. I don't know what that has to do with my ears, but that's the brony. I can only do that one, a little bit because my brain runs out of oxygen. Well, everything runs out of oxygen. That's why I'm feeling so woozy. Oh God. Okay, what else was there? Just like fucking. Oh yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's.
Five Nights at Freddy's. No, Call of Duty, bad game. Five Nights at Freddy's is the best. And if you say anything other, I will fucking slap your cock off.
Oh yeah, and just a bonus for you guys. I am also going to do an impression of the Yu-Gi-Oh fan, so you can watch out for them, okay? Let me just give me a minute.
You want to see my... You guys want to see my Yu-Gi-Oh collection? Oh no! Social interaction! Okay, they're gone. Can we trade cards now?
That was also an impression of Zach's cousin. Hashtag Zach Cousin's a fat fuck. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you leave a like. And I appreciate you for watching. Thank you. I'm gonna give you a hug now. Just kidding. You're probably one of those furry fucks in disguise. You never know. They're everywhere. They're in your head. They're in your mind. They're fucking everywhere. Run while you can. Your mother might be a furry. Your dad might be a furry. Your sister might be a furry. Run.